Today I'm going to make simple pork curry. This is very simple and very easy to cook, and it's of course very yummy. I'm frying the pork for some few minutes so that the water will dry up. After the water is dried and the meat start changing its color, I put some chilies, chili powders, tomato, and cooked for some few minutes again. This is how it looks after putting the chilies and tomatoes. See the colors, it looks very yummy and tasty. And after the meat is well cooked, I put ginger and garlic paste, and that's it. Thank you.